Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to send friend requests when option isn't showing. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to launch or open your Facebook application. Now, let's just say you wanted to add someone or you want to search this specific person and you want to add her or him on your friends list. But then again, you can't see that add as a friend button. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to find it. So let's just say you wanted to add this person as your friend. But then again, you can only see two options here, either message the person or follow the person. Now, don't worry, the very best thing to do here is to tap this three dots. And then after you tap this three dots, you will see there the option add as a friend. So we have here add as a friend, report profile, block, search, invite friends. You just have to tap this add friend. And that's it. Now if you go back, you will see here requested. Now if you want to cancel this request, you just have to tap it and then tap cancel request. As easy as that. So if you want to add again, you just have to tap the three dots and then tap add friend. So if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.